My name is Vimal Shah. I represent the Omega Group of Companies.
Hi, I am Vinit Dilla. I am the director of Omega Group of Companies. We are into poultry automation.
We recently shifted from our Bombay office to Ghatkopar office.
We were looking for an expansion of our existing office, which was we had not much space for expansion in the office for more infrastructure, more people.
When we were looking to buy a space in Ghatkopar, our primary concern was not to find a good location, but to find a good interior designer, because that makes all the difference when you want your workspace to have a real visual impact.
And we came across A3B through a very good friend of ours. It was the first meeting with them. We met 2-3 other people and finally we decided with them.
Right from their presentation techniques to the way they take you through the process of the project, it gives you a sense of transparency at every stage.
What we wanted for display, what we wanted for our sitting area, where we want to keep each and everything. How it has been utilized, we are very happy that we have gone with the right person.
As far as the execution is concerned, the material quality and the finishing has been top notch.
And there were few other things in between where we were not okay during the course of the things, but we went with their decision, and believe me, it was amazing going with the decision what they have made for us.
Anjali has some extremely creative inputs which far bypass what a normal layman like me or my partner could suggest in terms of workspace.
And we are very happy, and we are very sure that we will be going for future references we want for any of our friends, or we can give for A3B blindly.
When they finally handed over the office to us, we were extremely happy with their work. It was wonderful to work with them, and I hope to